Let's make a yummy spinach corn cheese side dish which will go very well with garlic bread, or roti, or even plain hot rice. So I have taken little oil and I have added cumin seeds, and then I'm sauteing onions. Now I'm adding palak, the chopped nicely, finely chopped palak. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. After adding the palak, I'm not going to add any water, okay? Because the palak is already washed and that water is enough to get this sorted. Now I'm going to add some chopped capsicum. So meanwhile I have actually kept some boiled corn kernels ready. So I'm going to add that to this mixture now. So I have added salt to taste, and I have added about 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, crushed pepper powder, and a little bit of jeera powder. So in a pan separately, I'm going to add a little bit of salted butter. To this butter, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to saute it well so that we are going to get a nice little very mild brown, which is a sand-like texture. So at this stage you can see it's a sand-like texture has come. At this stage I'm going to add milk. About 1 glass of milk I've taken. Keep stirring it well so that there are no lumps. I'm adding grated mozzarella cheese, and we are going to continue to stir this all together to get a creamy, nice, milky texture. At this stage, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano spice mix. Now I'm going to add the corn and spinach mixture to this nice milky creamy mixture, and we are going to saute all this together well. So that's it. Our spinach and corn cheese dish is ready to be served with garlic bread or with hot rice like a risotto, or you can also have it with Indian breads. Thanks for watching.